Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All of the items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. They all have their own independent links, so it's easy to find. I have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Those links are going to take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other items that I suggest. So that's all there for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this. The first item up for this week is going to be the WorkPro mini water pump pliers. This is the 4-inch set. Very popular set. A lot of YouTubers have reviewed this in the past. I have a review on this. I have the silver set. When they first released these, they had the silver and the black. Now they've released them in a gray, as well as a pink and a champagne. So lots of different color options available now. I'm mentioning this one because it is down to $14.23. The silver one is also down to $14. I mean, they're always on sale basically, even at their full price of $18 or $19. Fantastic price for these. If you're one that likes to carry small pliers on you, I prefer carrying a small set of pliers and a knife independently over carrying like a multi-tool, because when carrying a multi-tool I'm using either the plier portion or the knife portion 95% of the time. So I prefer to just carry a miniature set of pliers and a knife itself. They're just much more versatile for me. I understand if miniature pliers are not your thing, but I think these are fantastic. The quality is there, especially for the price. This champagne, I was going to say gold, but champagne sounds way cooler. I think $14.23 is fantastic. Let me know your guys' thoughts. This already has 4.6 stars, 1,049 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Duratech 5-piece swivel magnetic spark plug socket set. Now, there are tons. Back when I bought mine, I have the Matco set because I bought it and then I found the Gearwrench set. Like, this was many years ago, probably 8 to 10 years ago. I bought it and then found the Gearwrench set shortly after. That was like half the price, and it's basically the same thing. But there weren't a whole lot of magnetic sets like that available at the time. Now there are tons out there. Duratech is a brand that I think is going to be fantastic for weekend warriors and DIYers. They do have their hidden gems. Duratech's one of those brands where they kind of have a slew of different things, but they do have their hidden gems. Quite a few of them. I know a lot of people that follow the channel that enjoy quite a few of the Duratech items. Keep in mind, these are not professional grade, but a lot of them are not trash either. I think a lot of them are really good quality for the price. And I think for those that are looking for a magnetic spark plug socket set, this is a really good option. And these are down to $29.59, down from a list price of $41. So I just figured I'd share it. But this has 4.2 stars, 1,606 ratings. Next up is the Gearwrench 51-piece 1/4-inch drive socket set. This is the 120 XP. I bought this set many years ago, maybe 10 years ago. I had this and the 3/8 drive. I don't think I ever bought the 1/2-inch drive because I didn't really need it. But shortly after I bought mine, the prices started skyrocketing on these things. They just weren't worth it at that point. Now I think this is a good price. They're starting to come back down. I think quite a few of these sets like this are on sale right now, which is good to see. I thought this was a really good set. The only issue I had when I bought this, and I think a couple other people had mentioned it in the past when looking at reviews as well, sometimes they'll give you a double socket. So like I think I had 11 millimeters or two. I had two of one socket, so I had to get one swapped out. But other than that, I didn't have any issues. I like the 120 XP ratchet, which is a 60-tooth main gear with dual pawls, creating 120 positions. The back drag feels good. I personally like the 120 XP. Now, this is going to be the older version of the 120 XP. I have both the older and newer version. I don't have an issue with either one. The newer version of the 120 XP just has a slightly lower profile or slimmer design to it. You get a couple extensions, a universal, a palm ratchet, and a good variety of both metric and SAE sockets in both shallow and deep. It is a nice 1/4-inch drive socket set, 51 pieces, down from a typical price of $78.26 down to $73. I think that's good pricing. I know for quite a while it was up closer to the $100 price range, so it is nice to see it coming back down towards the $70 price range, which I think is where it should stay. This has 4.8 stars, 1,108 ratings. Next up, we were looking at some garage shelving, and this is the Raby 40-inch wide heavy-duty storage shelves. This is a 3-pack, and I actually bought this back in 2023 when I did my garage renovation or upgrade, whatever you want to call it. And I absolutely love these. I used to use a lot of, I actually still use the smaller, the 4 or 5 tier Harbor Freight shelves. I use that for like my chemicals and stuff, but a lot of my heavy stuff around the garage I store on these shelves. I keep spare car parts, my detailing, my carpet shampooer, pressure washer, shop vac, drain pans. I mean, I keep a lot of the heavier stuff, my powered cooler, my air compressor. I keep a lot of stuff on these shelves, and this fit perfectly along the wall in my garage for what I was looking for. 40 inches wide, 19 inches deep, 57 inches tall. They are nice metal framing and a metal shelf, like a full flat shelf. It's not wire or mesh or anything like that. I wanted something solid so I didn't have to worry about things falling through it or balancing certain things on it. They're really easy to assemble, and you can adjust the shelves wherever you want as well. I've stood on these things. I got stuff that weighs way more than me on these shelves, and they hold up extremely well. But the thing that I thought was funny, I think this pricing is fantastic. $287 for 3. That's under $100 per shelf, which I think is phenomenal. There are plastic ones out there that sell over $100 that aren't as well built as these or as large as these. So I think this pricing is fantastic. Now, what I thought was funny was the single shelf is $90. It's like the more you buy, the more expensive it gets, instead of where typically when you buy in bulk or multiple of something, the price typically goes down. This tends to go up because, I mean, technically if you bought 2, then it should be $180 and then $270. So the three-piece set should be $270, but it's $280. Maybe it's shipping. I don't know to account for that, the weight of that. But I guess if you wanted, you could just buy 3. If you're looking at getting 3, just buy individuals and save a little bit of money that way. This has 4.5 stars, 802 ratings. Next up is the Wera Craft Form Compact Maintenance Kit. This is a 35-piece set. This is the insulated set, and this is down to $139. Down from a list price of $260. It never sells at $260, I'll tell you that. But the price does fluctuate quite a bit. $160, $165. It's like up and down. $170 down to $150. It dropped as low as $133 a couple months back. But I mean, this thing fluctuates between this basically $135 and $160. And I think this is a really good price for what's included if you're a fan of this style. If you can get use out of this style of set, and it packs up nice and small. So I mean, I think it's a really nice set. Now obviously if you're one that doesn't use sets like this, it's not going to be worth it to you. I completely understand it. You can go out there and buy a whole screwdriver set and socket set for this price, but this is going to be for those that do mobile work or get use out of sets like this, just like the Icon set, just like the Tecton set. It's a convenience thing, but I think this is a really nice set from Wera. 4.6 stars, 826 ratings. Next up is the Anex Bit Driver Set. This is a set of 9, and this is at $37, not on sale, but it is a really nice little multi-bit screwdriver set, something real compact, made in Japan. There you can see all the different bits. You got some single-sided bits and dual-sided bits, as you can see there. Dual-sided for a few of the bits, the Phillips and the slotted, and then you have your single-sided hex as well, the bit adapter or extension, and the bit driver. I thought it was a really nice set. I have a lot of Japan tools and have been impressed by all of them. Typically really good quality control, and Anex isn't one that you hear a whole lot about, but I think it's a nice little set, even not on sale. The thing with the Japan tools, you won't find a whole lot of them on sale on Amazon, but if you're looking for good tools, Japan stuff is typically a good option to consider. This has 4.2 stars, 200 ratings. And the last one up for today's video is the Gearwrench Rechargeable Pen Light. This is one that I thought was a pretty cool design. Gearwrench has a lot of okay lights, and then they have some really good lights as well. I thought this one was a pretty cool design. It's rechargeable. It has dual functions. You got more of a spotlight and your floodlight. It did a magnetic clip, and the build quality looks nice as well. There you can see the magnetic clip, USB-C rechargeable. The only thing that I wish maybe it had like a UV function or a laser function. I know a lot of people that get use out of that. But I mean, for the price range, it's not bad. 2 integrated lights, integrated dimming function, provides up to 5 hours of runtime. And at $24, I don't think that's bad at all. Typical price is $27, so pretty decent savings on that as well. There are a lot of brands out there that sell some really cool pen lights though, and they can be really handy depending on what type of work you do. But that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. Once again, all of these will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.